It's Friday, and your salary just dropped. New shoes, new restaurant, new movie, and suddenly, your money disappears like magic. Most people have no idea what to do right after payday. So today, I'll show you the 8 things you must do the moment you get paid. Step 1. Know your real-life number. The first thing you must do is figure out your financial baseline. Most people think they know their expenses, but they don't. That's why more than half of people live paycheck to paycheck. This happens because of a psychological mistake called mental budgeting. You think a bonus or refund is extra money, so you spend it instantly. But money is money. No category, no label. The fix is simple. Open a Google Sheet. List every monthly expense, rent, groceries, bills, everything. Now remove anything that isn't essential. Yes, even your forgotten subscriptions and impulse apps. What's left is your financial baseline, the minimum you need to survive. Try to keep this under 50% of your income. If it's more, cut something or find a cheaper alternative. Step 2. Build a 6-month emergency wall. Imagine having 6 months of expenses saved at all times. That's what real financial peace feels like. Emergencies happen. Job loss, injuries, repairs, anything. Over 50% of people can't even handle a sudden 80,000 rupees or $1,000 expense. Your emergency fund equals baseline times 6. And no, parties, vacations, and cravings don't count as emergencies. Use it only when life hits you hard. Step 3. Destroy high-interest debt. Debt is like a silent tax on your future. Credit cards, personal loans, unnecessary EMIs, they crush your income. 2 ways to pay it off. Avalanche method. Pay highest interest first. Snowball method. Pay smallest balance first to build momentum. Choose one and stick to it. Every loan you finish gives you more breathing room. Step 4. Start investing early. Investing isn't about day trading or staring at stock charts. It's about letting your money grow while you sleep. Compounding can turn small monthly investments into lakhs or millions. The earlier you start, the richer you become. Step 5. Take the free money first. If your employer offers matching contributions, take it. It's literally free money sitting on the table. Max your match. Pay lower taxes. Grow your retirement faster. Step 6. Use a brokerage for long-term wealth. After retirement accounts, start investing through a brokerage. Use it for index funds, ETFs, and long-term compounding. Don't try to time the market. Nobody can do it consistently. Just invest a fixed amount every month. This is called dollar cost averaging. You buy more when the price is low, less when it's high, and your average cost stays stable. Step 7. Buy back your time. Money matters, but time matters more. Write down tasks you hate doing. Cleaning, long errands, anything. Write how long they take. Write how much you could earn in that same time. If hiring someone saves time and increases your income, it's not an expense, it's an investment. Step 8. Automate everything. If you rely on discipline, you fail. If you rely on willpower, you forget. But if you rely on automation, you win forever. Automate your bills, automate your savings, automate your investments. Your paycheck comes in, and the system handles everything. No stress, no decisions, no forgetting. This removes decision fatigue, the silent killer of good habits.